Hello, Teague Tigers. Your warm-up for today. We are continuing our math facts review, and today we're going to be doing the threes facts and the fours facts. So for this, you want to make sure that you are trying to memorize them or be able to figure them out very, very quickly. In order to be really good at your math facts, you want to be able to beat this video. You want to be able to say the answers before they show up on the screen. So I suggest that if you don't have these memorized, you go to another website, multiplication.com, or get on an app or something, and you practice until you can get them quickly. You want to get these memorized. But in the meantime, I'm going to go over again how each of these facts work. So for the threes, you can figure them out either by counting by threes or using your twos facts and your ones facts together. And let's see what that one looks like. Okay, so for 5 times 3, for example, I'm going to multiply 5 times 2, and that's 10. And then I'm going to multiply 5 times 1, and that's 5. See, that's our 3. 2 5s, and then one more 5 is going to be 3 5s. And so once you get those two answers, you add them together. So you take the other number, so for your threes, you take your other number, you multiply it by 2, you multiply it by 1, and you add them together. And so 3 times 5 is 15. So that's our threes. For our fours facts, again, you want to go practice and try to memorize them. But in the meantime, here's how they work. You can use your twos or double it twice. Those are two kind of different strategies. Let's use 6 times 4 as an example. For using your twos, it's going to look like a lot like what we did with our threes. So I'm taking my other number besides the 4, the 6, and I'm going to multiply it by 2, that's 12. I'm going to multiply it by 2 again, that's 12, because 2 and 2 is 4. So you can multiply it by 2 times and then add it together, and then you end up with 24. Or you can think of it as doubling it twice. That is where you take 6 times 4, you take your 6, you multiply it by 2, you get 12, and then you multiply your answer times 2, and you get 24. So doubling it twice is times 2, and then take your answer and times 2 again. So that's your fours. All right, so I'm going to pause it here for a second, and we'll get started with our flash.